In this video, I am going to tell you how to solve this critical error. First of all, go to your hosting and click on the website button. Once you click on this button, you will receive a notification from the hosting. Click on the Fix My Website button. Now, wait for a while to have it done by AI. You can see there is a theme problem on my website. Let's check if it is resolved. If this error is not resolved, then continue following these steps. Go and click on the Files option. Click here to access the files. Go to the Public option. Click on WP Content. Go to the Theme folder. Now, I am going to delete this theme, which was causing this error. Now, let's check again if the issue is resolved. You can check, the error has been fixed now. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thank you for your time.